chose AMJ. For some reason, chocolate.
Video Diary winner, Irene.
What was the test? It was like work with Lumpy Dumpy. What?
Calling all junior chefs. Yellow kids will compete by cooking their favorite dishes. They will also create a book cover for their recipe book. Once they are ready to explain why they chose their favorite dish, they will see who can do the best job of preparing their meal according to their recipes. The best recipe presentation and book cover will win 500 stamps. Who is going to win MasterChef Junior?
Welcome to my kitchen. Today I will make bread with berry. The recipe I chose was magic floating hamburger. And when it's over, we put the bread, one piece of bread at the bottom. It is fun and easy to cook. I hope you guys make pancakes with your parents. Others should eat this food because it is great when you are at the beach. When I was 4 years old, I started to eat cupcakes. First, I didn't like to eat the cream because when I eat the cream, pizza is delicious in the world. Thank you for listening. Bye.
They have all worked so hard and have even made recipe books for us. We're so proud of their hard work. Let's see who wins MasterChef Junior.
I like learning tasty food because they are very important in our daily lives. I choose my favorite food, egg bacon sandwich, for the AMJ MasterChef Junior competition. Today we're going to cook it. The recipe is bacon, egg, pepper, salt, bread, and we also need the following equipment: a fry pan, a cutting board, a bowl, and a knife. Now we can start making the sandwich. First, slice the bread into 2 pieces. Then, slice the bacon into little pieces. Then, beat 2 eggs and cook them in the preheat fry pan. And we have to cook the bacon too. And when it's over, we put the bread, 1 piece of bread at the bottom. Then, put the bacon and the eggs and try to layer them. Put another piece at the top of the sandwich. Now we're done. If you make lots of bacon egg sandwich, you could give it to everyone. You could give it to brother or sisters. I learned the recipe and I rush and tell everyone. I also told my family and my school friends. I think you liked the recording of the video. Thank you for listening. Bye. The recipe I chose was magic floating hamburger because that is interesting and yummy. MasterChef taught me that you need to be very careful with the equipment because you can hurt. I will win because my food is very, very delicious. Thank you for listening. I'm going to make pancakes. To make pancakes, we need some ingredients. We need 200 grams of pancake mix, 50 milliliters of milk, 1 egg, 5 strawberries, 1 banana, 2 tablespoons of syrup, 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar, a little bit of butter. Next, we need equipment. We need a bowl, a cup, a scale, a spatula, a frying pan, a whisk, and a plate. Now we have to make it. First, we have to measure the exact amount of pancake mix and milk. Second, put the pancake powder, milk, and egg in the bowl. Next, mix it all together. Pour the mixture into the preheated frying pan and cook. Once the pancake is bubbling on one side, flip the pancake and cook for 10 to 15 seconds. After the pancakes are cooked well, stack them on a plate and pour the syrup on top. Add a little bit of butter on top. Decorate the pancake with strawberries and banana slices. If you want to make it sweeter, sprinkle some powdered sugar on top. Finally, of course, enjoy. I like to make pancakes with my family every weekend morning. It is fun and easy to cook. I hope you guys make pancakes with your parents. It would be very fun and happy times.